Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You start by collecting the exact number with country code, so results match carrier records. Next, know why you're looking up the network. Legality matters because carriers restrict data. Once decided, pick a method. A carrier lookup service for quick results, an HLR/IMSI query for roaming status, or an authorized database if you have consent. These options differ in access level and accuracy, so choose based on how precise and immediate the result must be. You now perform the lookup. Enter the full number into a reputable carrier lookup or use an API for batch checks. If you need live registration or roaming info, run an HLR query. This pings the network and reveals whether the SIM is active. When results return, capture IMSI, MCC, and MNC codes because these numeric identifiers tell you exactly which operator and country host the number. Make sure to compare return names against known operator lists to avoid vendor labeling differences. Finish by confirming the returned operator with an official numbering plan or operator registry so you avoid mislabeling, and note if the number is ported, then reconcile original versus current carrier. Once done, log timestamps and query sources for auditability. If you hit a problem, first check the number format and country code, then retry with a second trusted service. If issues persist, ensure you have legal permission and consider contacting the carrier or using an authorized lookup gateway for a definitive answer.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.